Hey, this is Nat, and today we are off our couch and heading to Orlando, Florida to check out the Lego store located within Disney Springs. We absolutely love Disney Springs and enjoy coming here often to take in all there is to be offered at Disney's premier shopping, dining, and entertainment venue. And we love Legos and the Lego store as well, so we are definitely ready to check out something fairly new that is now at the Lego store. In October 2019, the Lego store debuted the Lego Minifigure Factory, where you can now customize your very own minifigure. This is our first time being at the Lego store since they started the Lego Minifigure Factory, so we are so excited to get started. But before we do, we're going to check out the video that walks you through the entire process. Now, this video is not only helpful, but it is also so adorable. I don't understand though why they changed the name from Number One Dad to just Dad. My guess, Dad's not spending enough money at the store. Anyways, we now know what to do, so we are going to first head over to the cashier to buy the box we need to start creating our own minifigure. Now, at the time of this publishing, the cost is $11.99 to customize your own minifigure. And if you frequent this Lego store or other Lego stores, be sure to sign up for the Lego VIP program. It's a free rewards program that allows you to accumulate points in exchange for rewards. Points can be earned by completing activities in addition to shopping within the stores and at lego.com. Plus, I really like the fact that points are valid for 18 months after your last activity, so there's no reason to not enroll. Since we're Disney annual pass holders, we receive a discount on purchases here, so we are also taking advantage of that perk and heading to the computer to get started. And just in case you need inspiration for your project, there is an entire lineup of lovely and inspirational minifigures. So now we are on the first screen, the keyboard. This is where you will type whatever it is that you want on the front of your brick. Once you type your name or whatever you choose, it is time to start customizing. Now, the associate has already warned us that whatever we type, draw, or add to our minifigure is final once we hit submit. So we are going to need to double check, maybe even triple check our work. So we chose to draw on our torso, but we can also just choose an outfit, add decorations, or add text too. With the text, we can select the font and the size and place it wherever we want on the torso. I am noticing there is a lag when pressing options, so we're just going to slow down a bit and give it some time to work. So now we are all done. We have double and triple checked our work, so we can now grab our Lego head, hair or headwear, pants, and an accessory. And while we're doing that fun stuff, our torso is under construction. So here's the machine that is creating our masterpiece, and you can see that it is hard at work. The screen right above the machine shows the project name that is being worked on and the others that are still in the queue. The torso is drying now for just a bit, and once it is dry, we will have everything we need to put our customized minifigure together. And voila, here it is, our final project. And we actually did two because it is so much fun. Not only are these great gifts, but I think they are excellent souvenirs as well. And I love how Lego Disney Springs is printed on one side of the brick too. The personalized brick, along with the unique colorful box that's included with the minifigure, really makes this a wonderful keepsake. I would love to do this again, so inspire me. What type of minifigure have you designed or plan to design? Is there someone you know who would love to receive this as a gift? Or are you like me and just want to create your very own and keep it for yourself? Let me know in the comments, and if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe so you can catch us on our next outing, and click on the video to see more of our experiences. Thanks for watching.